how to find a Binance wallet address. Now, to find a Binance wallet address, it's actually quite very simple to do. First of all, this depends upon which wallet address you want to find, because each crypto has its own wallet address. Either way, to find it, you first open up Binance, go to the wallet option from the bottom right of the screen, then there you'll find the deposit button. Once you go to deposit, the cryptocurrency for which you want to find the wallet address, you want to find it. So let's say I want to find Bitcoin wallet address. Just search for BTC and you can choose a network over here, right? Once you choose a network here, this is your Bitcoin wallet address, and this wallet address can be used for other people to send you Bitcoin on this particular given address. Similarly, if you are trying to receive Ethereum, go to Ethereum wallet address and just select, and this will be your Ethereum wallet address. And this way you'll be able to find a Binance wallet address. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.